A test drive turned into an illegal joyride for a customer at an Albuquerque car dealership today. The customer turned out to be a thief, and police are still trying to track him down. It happened at the Malloy Supercenter this afternoon at the corner of San Mateo and Osuna Northeast. The salesman tells News 13 he and the suspect had just returned from a test drive. When the salesman went inside the business to get a gas card and test drive some more, the suspect took off with the 2008 Dodge Ram 3500 like this one. The outraged salesman did not want to show his face when he spoke with us today.
I've never had anything like that happen to me, so just kind of very much in shock to see the guy take off, speed out of the parking lot the way he did.
Well, the stolen vehicle is a black 2008 Dodge Ram 3500 dually. The salesman describes the suspect as a white man in his mid-20s, about 6 feet tall, with a military-style haircut. If you have any information, call police at 242-COPS. The salesman told police the suspect filled out paperwork that included a name, address, and a social security number. Police are now checking on that information to see if it will lead them to the suspect or at least someone who knows him.